This person is curious about which different things that you should bring in your gym bag. So 2 of everything. Let's go through this. So this person is talking about if you should bring maybe 1 deodorant in your gym bag to have 1 at home, 1 shampoo in your gym bag, 1 at home, 1 soap in your gym bag, 1 at home. Just curious about what the best practices are if you are trying to shower at the gym, what you should bring. So I really don't overthink this. I actually, when I do this, I literally just bring whatever I have in my shower at the time in like a little baggie, like a plastic bag or like a grocery bag. And then from there, I just bring a towel that I've used or a fresh towel, put that in my bag, put all the stuff I need, my shampoo, etc., put it in a bag, go to the gym and shower, and then at the end of the day, I have that dirty bag of clothes that I just dump into my normal laundry hamper, okay? So it's really that simple. But if you are somebody who maybe just has a gym bag at work, it would probably, of course, be a good idea to have 1 or maybe even 2 of whatever toiletries you're gonna be using at the gym bag at home. So then once you start to get low on that one and say you forget to bring another one, you have that backup one, and then you can put a mental reminder in your head to restock on your stuff. So if you are getting some good value from that, and if that just gave you a little bit of insight, please drop a like. Greatly appreciate it.